Credit Karma usually stops working because of outdated app versions, server-side sync issues, or problems with how your device is connecting to TransUnion and Equifax data servers. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons the app fails to load, how to fix login and refresh issues, and what to do when the problem is on Credit Karma's side instead of yours. Start with the most common cause. The Credit Karma app depends on real-time connections to credit bureau data. If that connection breaks, the app can freeze, fail to load your score, or show blank screens. Now, explain the simplest fix. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network-related. If the app starts working after switching, the problem is your connection's stability, not Credit Karma itself. Now move to app-level issues. Outdated versions of the Credit Karma app can cause loading and login failures. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update the app to the latest version. After updating, fully close the app and reopen it so it reloads fresh data. Now explain cache problems. Over time, stored app data can become corrupted and stop the app from syncing properly. On Android, clearing the app cache can fix loading issues without deleting your account. On iPhone, the equivalent fix is reinstalling the app to refresh stored data. Now explain login-specific problems. If Credit Karma keeps crashing or refusing login, the issue can be related to authentication sessions. Logging out and signing back in resets your session and forces a fresh connection to your credit profile. Now, explain server-side issues. Sometimes Credit Karma itself has outages or delays in syncing with TransUnion or Equifax. In that case, nothing on your device will fix it immediately. You just have to wait until their servers stabilize. Now explain a deeper issue users overlook. If your credit report is missing or delayed from the bureaus, the app may look like it's broken, even though it's just waiting for updated data. Now give a clean troubleshooting flow. First, check your internet connection. Then update the app. Then clear cache or reinstall. Then log out and back in. And finally check if it's a system-wide outage. Now summarize the key points. Most Credit Karma issues come from app updates or connection problems. Some issues are caused by server or bureau data delays. And reinstalling or resetting the app usually fixes most common errors. One practical next step: start with updating the app and switching networks before trying more advanced fixes like reinstalling. If this helped, subscribe for simple fixes for credit apps and financial tools without confusion.